Concrete is as ancient as the Romans, yet as modern as the buildings in our growing cities. It is timeless, made from natural materials and enduring. After water, concrete is the most used product in the world and is renowned for its durability, sustainability, low cost and flexibility. It can be shaped or sculpted into anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got
Concrete quite literally holds our modern world together. It's the foundation of our homes and the buildings in which we work, learn and play. But how often do we take the time to think where concrete actually comes from? Concrete is made up of three basic components: aggregates, water and cement. Aggregates include materials such as sand, rock and gravel. Cement is the grey powder that, when mixed with water, acts as a glue to bind all the ingredients together. And here is where all these ingredients quite literally come together: the concrete batch plant. Most people don't realise this, but concrete is a local product. It's important that the concrete is made close to where it's going to be used, as it only lasts about 90 minutes before it starts to harden. That's why you find the concrete batch plants in and around the communities that use the product. The aggregates and cement within the concrete also need to be locally sourced to keep transportation costs low. The aggregates are delivered to the batch plant via tip trucks and are loaded into separate containers. These ingredients are then transported on conveyor belts to a storage hopper, where computers weigh the material to specific proportions. Tankers deliver cement powder to site, which is securely loaded into the silos. Storing the cement in vertical silos keeps it dry and uses gravity to efficiently deliver the material. All this is managed from a central control room like this one, where the entire plant is monitored and the orders are processed. The concrete plant operator ensures plants like these run safely at all times and checks that the mix of ingredients is correct for each job. Because concrete has a wide range of uses, there are a variety of custom solutions. In fact, the process to create the right mix is so precise that it requires a computer to carefully weigh just enough sand, gravel, cement, water and some special additives into the concrete agitator truck. So every load is different and unique. Now, the concrete agitator truck. It's my favourite part of the process. It transports and mixes concrete from a batching plant to a construction site. People often call them cement trucks. However, as you have heard, cement is only one part of the mix. So concrete mixer is a more accurate term, but in the industry, we call them agi trucks. The agi truck drives into a loading bay where the mix of raw materials is fed into the truck barrel in a way that minimises dust and noise. Once loaded, the agi truck proceeds to the slump stand where it begins to mix the load by turning the barrel. This is where the driver's expertise comes into play, testing the concrete to make sure it is the same slump or consistency as what's been ordered. Now that we have our mix just right, the agi truck is ready to go. Remember, we only have a short window before the concrete begins to harden, so let's get moving. But safety first. Having the plant close to construction sites is great for many reasons other than just the concrete setting time. Short travel distances also means trucks spend less time on the road, use less fuel, lessen traffic congestion and reduce emissions. The less time spent driving, the better it is for everyone, including our environment. Once the delivery is done, it's back to the concrete plant to recycle any leftover concrete and water. As you have seen, making concrete is a complex process of blending natural products to build the cities and homes that we work, live and play in. Concrete plants benefit the community by using local products and employing local people. Having a plant right in the heart of an area where construction is happening keeps infrastructure costs down, reduces traffic congestion and reduces our impact on the environment by minimising waste and emissions. Concrete is not just about rock and cement. It's about building and supporting communities, laying a foundation for future generations.
It's sugar.
Okay, and that's something we can all be proud of.